Hello, my name is John Maklouf. I am a construction accountant. So that is, I work only with businesses in the construction industry, property developers, builders, larger trades, or consultants to the construction industry. Since January, I've been posting quite a bit on LinkedIn and have gotten some traction. I'm after somebody to create posts for me. Now, some posts work better than others. So you can see this post here, which I posted about a week ago, only got 5 reactions and 1 comment. Posts like this one here got 26 reactions and 7 comments. This is a really good post that got some traction, as well as this one here. This one got 43 reactions and 5 comments. I think the key is that the posts are very direct. They're quite visual. So I need somebody to create visual posts. So they need to be visual. They need to be valuable. So they need to provide value to the reader. And they need to be easy to read. So you can see there's not a huge amount of detail, but the detail that's here is valuable. And I think these posts here are the ones that work the best. If you take a look at this one as well, there's not a great deal of detail, but what is there is valuable. I'm after the post to be visual, valuable, easy to read. So tables, graphs, infographics, but things that are very attractive to the eye. These are the ones that get the most likes. So you can see this one had 3,877 views. This one had just under 5,000. I mean, take a look at my page. So take a look at my LinkedIn page. And as you're going through these posts, please feel free to like them yourselves. Now, I'm going to make this, I'm after somebody full-time. I understand this could be demanding. I'd like to post 3 posts every week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to narrow down this job to 5 candidates. I'd like to see the 3 best posts that you've put onto LinkedIn, that you've posted onto LinkedIn, and then from those 5 candidates, I'm going to narrow it back down to 3. Those 3 will be offered a full-time role with our firm to give us 1 post a week. 1 post a week per candidate. That's 3 posts a week. That way we could keep it fresh. The other thing that I'm providing as part of the job background is a number of different websites you can go onto that will give you a whole lot of information on industry statistics, things that are happening, industry news, different facts in construction. So I want our posts to be relevant. I want them to be current, and I want them to be very attractive to the end reader. So I'd like that from the candidates. And finally, I know that a lot of people just apply without looking at the notes and the job description. So when you do apply for this job, I'd like you to start the job by writing the quote, "I'd like to apply for the Construct and Conquer LinkedIn design role." So I'll say that again. I'd like you to start off your response to this job application with the following quote, and that is, "I'd like to apply for the Construct and Conquer LinkedIn design role." Thank you. I hope I've given you enough information. If you need any more, feel free to reach out via Upwork. Thanks again.